but I mean, it's just about being real. I mean, I don't know how to fake. Nairobi did me disaster last year, you guys. Hey, it's a depressing place for me until I get... Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube video. I wanna say that it is an organizing single room makeover stroke organizing with me, and YouTube has the thing where it tells you what your viewers want to watch, you know, like the content gap. So most people have discovered me through my single room tour, my campus room. It has the highest views on my channel, so I think most people are looking for those videos. So that's what this video is about. This is about after cleaning and then like organizing my single room. And please, I want to say a disclaimer, please don't judge me, okay? Baby girl is starting life from scratch, okay? Don't even judge about the things you will see, like me arranging, and like the things I own on this earth. Please don't judge me, I beg you. And if you feel like you have an opinion over, provide a solution instead of an opinion, you know. So yeah, so some of the things are like not really for the internet, but I mean, it's just about being real. I mean, I don't know how to fake. I can't fake. I don't know how, okay? So it's good, you see, like the way I'm starting small, and then when we grow and become big, y'all will celebrate my journey because y'all will know where I'm coming from, okay? So please do not judge me. Do not judge me. I'm literally just saying that because of the mattress you'll see me carrying, but it's not even mine. We borrowed a neighbor extra mattress. But so I hope you will enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, baby girl is happy. I'm comfortable and happy, and that's on period. Baby. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah,
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
Thank you so much for watching. It's in the same place, yeah, intro and outro. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more single room organizing videos. I guess, I don't know. As for the boxes, you've seen me putting my products in. I've used that method since my campus days until the day I'll save up enough to buy like drawers and stuff, like build a whole house together. I can't wait to get to that level where we'll start drawing together. I can't wait. Super excited. And then if you're excited just thinking about it, like moving out, starting to save up for that. Really, I'll start next month and then probably move out maybe next year. So we start saving up money for buying stuff for the house, you know. And as for the town where I wanna desire to live, I'm just putting out to the universe in case she is listening, Mother Nature, and you want to gift me. I wanna live either in Nakuru, Eldoret, yeah, you know, or Eldoret. Nakuru, Eldoret. Nairobi is a no. Nairobi did me disaster last year, you guys. Hey, it's a depressing place for me until I get to that 100% place where I'm like a mental space where I can tolerate Nairobi's nature. Until then, I'm not living in Nairobi. And I know my business is like based in Nairobi, but I'm like, afadhali niende Kiambu ama niende Kiambu ama wapi ama niende just somewhere where it's not that busy, you know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and that's it. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.